The first tip to ensure that your mixes slap as hard as my father when he's drunk is to maintain consistent levels throughout the whole beat. Here's an example, try and see if you can spot the issue here. See how the piano is a bit too loud? We can't be having that, so let's fix that shit. If both the lead and piano were front and center, then they would both be fighting for the same space, and that is something that we don't want in this case. Okay. The second tip for a mix that slaps harder than Batman is to sidechain your kick to your 808 and compress that shit. Compression controls the dynamic range of a track, reducing the volume of louder parts while boosting quieter sections. So it's a pretty handy tool when it comes to mixing your drums and 808s. Okay, the third and last tip for a mix that slaps harder than my uncle when he's had a bit too much to drink at Thanksgiving is sound selection. The quality of sounds you use can have either a positive or negative effect on your beats. Take a listen to this example of good versus bad sound selection. Deuces motherfuckers, I'm off to take a huge shit.